welcome to the Green Coffee Machine in Cheltenham. We're a brand new coffee shop who's just opened this year, right opposite Cheltenham train station. What we're really about here is the coffee. We use our own coffee here, which we get roasted exclusively for us. And we've got an ethical side to the business. It's triple certified, so it's fair trade, organic and Rainforest Alliance certified. And it's a blended coffee from 5 regions around the world. We get it from Peru, Honduras, Uganda, Indonesia and Ethiopia. We also do a fine selection of freshly made baguettes and paninis, and we have a selection of homemade cakes as well. So come in and say hello.